Alex. I'm really excited to be here and to share the Copernicus Accelerator program with everyone today. It's been especially interesting looking at the polls and seeing that almost 80% of you have either never heard about the accelerator or only know a little bit. So I'm hoping you'll learn something from this presentation, and as Alex mentioned, I'll be very excited and happy to answer your questions at the end of the presentation. So let's jump straight in. What is the Copernicus Accelerator? It's been mentioned a couple of times already, but I'll go over it one more time. It is a 12-month virtual acceleration program that supports 50 really promising Earth observation startups here in Europe. So we aim to provide all of the participants really with the right tools, support and knowledge to change their Earth observation ideas into really impactful commercial solutions. And the way we do that is what I'm just about to talk about on the next slide. So there are 6 core items within the accelerator program, and here are the first 3. So each of the teams who are selected into the program will be matched, or actually they match themselves together with one of our expert mentors. And then you go through 12 months of coaching. And so you're able to do that virtually, or if the circumstances allow and each of you are in the same location, then we do encourage you to meet personally or in person as well. But to really kick off the program, we do bring all of the teams and all of the mentors together to create or to run through a boot camp. And what we're really looking to do with this boot camp is provide networking opportunities to allow you to meet each other, to meet the wider pool of experts and mentors, and run you through a really intensive action-packed training program. We've done this in the past in conjunction with the European Space Week events, so it really does maximize your networking and learning opportunities within the Copernicus, EU and wider European space program context. At the end of the program, so the end of your 12 months, you also get to jump into a closing boot camp, which is a similar concept, but really what we're looking to do there is round out your time in the program. You'll get to meet your mentor again, you'll get to pitch your idea to the different teams, and hopefully exhibit your idea as well, perhaps as a part of the wider event program that we host the boot camp with. In addition to these 2 items, so we've got your boot camps, your coaching, and we also provide you with a series of virtual trainings. And we do this through a MOOC platform, so they're all on demand. You're able to watch these at your own pace, and they're designed to really advance your technical skills and knowledge with these monthly training sessions. So we do release them on a monthly basis, and we have the capability for you to ask the trainer questions and really interact with the content as you go through. Wait, there's more. As I mentioned, there are 6. We provide you access to our ecosystem. So as I mentioned, it's not just your own mentor that you get to interact with, but at the boot camps, you have access to all of the mentors. We do a number of different networking sessions, for example, speed dating, and we allow lots of interesting side events, such as like some networking, some evening events where you do get the opportunity to interact with people with different backgrounds and really elaborate on the discussions you have as a part of the scheduled training. We also enable you to meet investors. So we have 2, I guess, mini competitions inside of the overall Copernicus Accelerator program, where 3 teams will have the opportunity to get accepted into an investor roadshow. So each of the teams that are interested need to apply, and then 3 of them will be selected to attend an investor roadshow, but that also includes some investor readiness training. So those teams who feel like they're at the right stage to put their ideas in front of investors do have this opportunity to access funding. And in addition, we have a market validation lab. So again, 3 teams are selected to go into this mini program within the Copernicus Accelerator where they will analyze their needs, their validation needs, and they'll work together with experts to design their validation program. They'll then execute that, ideally to come out at the end of it with some insights to further develop their ideas and really make it a lot more user-centric. So when does it happen? Alex mentioned right at the start that the open call is currently running. It closes on the 20th of September, so there is still definitely enough time for you to go on and complete your application. The bootcamp itself will happen in December, and then the virtual training sessions and coaching sessions happen in parallel throughout the year, throughout the 12-month program, which will obviously occur in 2021. And then we close out the bootcamp in November, December at the end of the year. So this is the team who are here and willing to help you out and answer your questions. You'll see myself there, Sam, Zana, and Thomas. If you're ever around one of the space events and you see us there, please do stop us and feel free to ask us any questions you might have. If you would like the good old-fashioned version, you're welcome to send us an email or contact us through the website, which will be shown on the last slide. And you can send us a message directly through the contact form there. So how does it work? You saw the slide earlier, but head onto the website. You need to fill out a short questionnaire and complete a pitch deck. And then we will be in contact with you in October to let you know the outcome of the open call for applications. Now, you heard me earlier talk a little bit about the mentorship within the program. We also have an open call for mentors. So if you're not one of these people who are looking to create a startup with Copernicus data, but maybe you have some EO or business expertise that you really want to share and support these startups through their startup journey, then we encourage you to apply. You can head over to the website. There's a whole page of our website dedicated to the mentors, and you can apply with directly through the website. The open call for mentors runs on the same timeline as that for the startups, so you can go and submit your application before the 20th of September. It's really a great initiative. There's all the information you need about being a mentor, what's required, and the remuneration involved for those mentors, all on the website. And specifically also in the terms and conditions. So you are encouraged to head over and check that one out. And finally, we would love for you to join the Fearless Innovators of Tomorrow and join us on this journey for Copernicus startups within the acceleration program. I'm